What is up everyone, it is your boy CryptoCrunch coming back with another video on OpenSea scam video. I'm gonna show you a new scam that someone's been working on. So yeah, this is Slotty. Right now I just started it. It has 0.41 traded. I just got someone 6-10 minutes ago. And yeah, I wanna show you how I did it. So as you guys know, I use Minimax macro, and I have sheets, and I just mass created by using a macro. So this is the macro I've created. If you guys haven't seen, I'm sorry I messed up. Oh, I press start the command, and then it just creates all these new NFTs, and pretty much I just left it for maybe a couple hours, and it's made 1,000. So it looks legit. I have a good name, and hopefully people buy it during the mint. I've already got 0.4 ETH, which is great. And yeah, just wanted to give an update. Yeah, OpenSea still works fine. Also, if you guys aren't part of the Discord, make sure to join. I have a lot of new stuff here and just giving updates. I have my packages and everything, so yeah. Peace. Alright, so quick update. I just made 2.5 ETH. And this is the volume that I sold. The mint just started 20 minutes ago, so hopefully we still see some progress. 2.5 ETH, not bad. 11 owners, and yeah. I have 3.5, doing pretty well. Trade volume's going pretty well. And yeah, just wanted to showcase this. Alright guys, this is another update on the Slotty NFT OpenSea. We are at nearly 5 ETH. It's going well, and we'll see how it goes. So this is the final of the mint, 16.1 ETH.